everybody, I'm here for another video. We had a morning of education concerts again at the Oklahoma Aquarium here in Tulsa, and so I came home to discover this lovely blue package. Those of you that know it know that it's from Chic Sparrow. Let me get those notebooks out of the way. And since it's a little chilly here, I decided to make a tea. And today we're having another tea. This one is also from Harney & Sons. Harney & Sons. And this is the Tower of London blend. This came in the same pack that the husband got me for... there's the barcode, if you can read that, that the husband got me for our anniversary. And this is like a lot of the teas that I like. It is a Chinese black tea stirred with pieces of dried stone fruit, then finished with oil of bergamot and honey flavors. The blend is reminiscent of Elizabethan preserves, flavorful and tempting. And it does. I wish I could have smell-o-vision. It reminds me of like plum jam or plum fig jam or something, you know, with honey, and it's so good. Yeah, but I think he got it at Barnes & Noble because we have like a membership there, and I don't know, they give you discounts on stuff. But yeah, Harney & Sons, my favorite tea company since Teavana doesn't exist anymore. I've been using a lot of their stuff. You can buy it loose leaf, you can buy it in big tins like this, you can buy it in smaller tins, you can even buy a big bag of it that has this has 30 of the sachets, but you can buy one that has like 50 to 100 tea bags, so lots of good tea. So let me get that out of the way. I don't want it to spill on what we have. So let's pull this out. So you can see this has their beautiful new packaging. So there's the thank you sticker, there's the Chic Sparrow wrap, and yep, it has the blue paper on the underside. So I'm gonna set that aside and use it for something. So it came with their 5-year anniversary card, which my last one did. It also came with their business card and the same sticker. Okay, so I got this to take the place of this. This is a Foxy Fix single strand in the licorice. And I used to have something like this by Chic Sparrow in the deluxe. It had stitching and pockets and all of that. And I really liked it, but I sold it because I wasn't using it. This was years ago. And I have a lot of stuff in here. I've decided to keep my journal in the standard size. And I have the Ali Brown, where's that insert? It's back here. I have the Ali Brown Illustrated Faith Joy Journey, and so I used some of the stamps. There's the one that I got for my last Chic Sparrow, and I just wanted to put some stuff on paper, but I want all of this stuff to be my journal. I want it to be contained in one place, and I have just too much in here. So I ordered through Chic Sparrow because Foxy Fix doesn't have this leather anymore, and it feels so nice. This is the Chic Sparrow version of that leather, and it has 4 elastics. And I decided I wanted to go. I did have at one point also a narrow in the, oh, it's so soft. And that was one thing I asked for, is for like, you know, some small texture. And here, sorry. We have to smell it, right? I think the Chic Sparrow and the Foxy Fix, the black leather that's like this, has a, it's so pretty. And look how fine the texture is. It's so smooth, and like, look at how soft it is. But I think the Black Beauty, I mean, look how soft that is. I mean, you can roll it up like a burrito. And because of the type of leather it is, you know, it doesn't get scratchy, it doesn't get anything, but look at that. But I think because of the type of leather that it is, it retains that, what we think of as a leather smell. I know it's probably some chemical, but yeah, so let's see. I had all of this stuff in here on one elastic with one of the Real Midori jump bands. So this one will go get some rest. I will set it aside for a bit. Oh, and I had some of these. This is the last of the Jane Davenport little rub-ons I had. But now I think I'll feel better because this will have a little bit more space. The just so you can see, the Foxy Fix, and this one I've had a long time, is they're the same height, but see how the Chic Sparrow, make sure you can see that, is just, you know, about 1/2 inch wider. So it will hold just a little bit more. Now the Foxy Fix that has 4 elastics is this wide too. But I wanted to get one very similar to that, but I also, Foxy Fix doesn't carry the leather anymore, so I couldn't get a Foxy, and I knew I loved my Chic Sparrow when I got that one. Let's see. And one thing that I love about the Allie Brown insert from Illustrated Faith is it's standard Midori size, so it'll fit in as like an insert would. And then I've got a calendar and a folder, which I need to start putting some of that stuff in. So let's see, look at that. Oh my gosh, there's so much room in that. Look how beautiful that is. They're both beautiful notebooks. I always get that question, you know, do I prefer Foxy? Do I prefer Chic Sparrow? And my answer is I like both of them because they both have a high quality leather. This is the Foxy Fix Licorice Wanderlust, which again I said they don't make anymore, or they don't carry anymore. And this is the Chic Sparrow Creme Black Beauty, and it's, I don't think they get it from the same place, but it goes through a very similar process. And so you know, for someone to ask, you know, well, which do you prefer? And I like them both. They both make beautiful, high-quality notebooks. They both make different style notebooks. I keep switching back and forth. Here is my, oh, that's right, I got a new insert in there. I moved back into my, this is called Black Beauty from Foxy Fix, which is a thinner, it's an Italian leather, it's different, you know, just different style, you know, different style, but just as beautiful as, you know, my Chic Sparrows that I have. I just went with this one because they had, you know, the type of leather I wanted. I wanted something that is, since this is going to be, I'm going to work my way through this, but this is going to kind of be what I use for my journaling and for my art journaling. I always come back to the standard Midori size for that. And so I'm going to stop fighting it and I'm going to stay in this size. And I wanted, you know, a very durable leather. This leather, I mean, it will scratch, you know, but it's such a thick, heavy duty leather that, you know, it's going to last forever. Well, not forever, but for quite a long time. This will probably outlive me. Actually, I know it will outlive me. So let's put a few of these items in here. See, that fits perfectly in there. So I can actually put it in my journal when I want to. I'll put the card in there. And I have 2 stencils, and this is this one in the middle, along with the question mark and exclamation mark, are the one from Allie, and then these darker ones on the outside are the one I got from Amazon.com. Very, very, very similar in design. Very similar. These should fit as well, I think. The card might be a little, the stencil will fit, but the card might be a little wide. And then these are the stickers. I've been so busy with education concerts that I just haven't had the time this week to do much journaling of anything. I mean, I did my KonMari the other day, and yeah, that'll work. And then here's the beautiful card with Allie's artwork. I'll put the little stencil sample to remind me. Yeah, we can put those in there too, in case I want a little color on the... And then these, I was thinking of just sticking in here, the stamps. And there you go. Look how gorgeous that is. I have got, if you look at it from the top, I have got so much stuff in there. And it fits really well. And because of that, I've got a pen loop, so I can put a pen in there. Okay, so that is all that I have for you today. Just a quick little, well, a 12-minute or so, quick little look into my new Chic Sparrow. We gotta smell it again. It just smells so good. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.